Today we're diving into a masterpiece that seamlessly blends the charm of the past with the sophistication of modern engineering. This is the 2025 GMC 100 Vintage Pickup, a tribute to classic Americana infused with state-of-the-art technology. Buckle up as we explore its timeless design, refined interior, impressive performance, and everything you need to know about its pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GMC 100 Vintage Pickup is a work of art. The iconic silhouette of the classic 1950s GMC 100 has been reimagined with sharper lines, LED lighting, and premium chrome accents. The front grille stays true to its heritage, boasting a bold GMC emblem framed by modern LED headlights that retain a muscular yet elegant look, while the two-tone paint options, including classics like deep forest green and ivory white, evoke pure nostalgia. The 20-inch wheels feature a polished finish that strikes a perfect balance between vintage and modern aesthetics. And step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends old-school charm with cutting-edge luxury. The dashboard features polished wood trims and brushed aluminum accents, reminiscent of the mid-century style, while the seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching. The classic analog gauge cluster is paired with a discrete digital display, providing essential information without compromising the vintage aesthetic. A modern infotainment system is seamlessly integrated, offering a touchscreen interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a vintage-inspired rotary knob for navigation. Despite its retro vibe, this truck is packed with modern conveniences: heated and ventilated seats, a premium Bose sound system, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure that the GMC 100 is as comfortable as it is stylish. The bed is lined with durable wood and aluminum rails, paying homage to its roots, but includes modern tie-downs and a powered tailgate. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC 100 offers a choice between a 3.0L turbocharged inline-six engine delivering 310 horsepower, or an optional 5.3-length V8 producing 400 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, providing excellent balance between power and efficiency. The suspension has been fine-tuned to offer a plush ride, and the steering is remarkably precise for a pickup of this size. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling back roads, the GMC 100 delivers a driving experience that feels both nostalgic and modern. Its towing capacity, rated at 8,000 pounds, ensures it's not just a pretty face, but a capable workhorse too. The 2025 GMC 100 Vintage Pickup starts at $52,000 for the base model with the inline-six engine, while the fully loaded V8 model tops out at around $68,000. Given its unique blend of vintage styling, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it's a compelling choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. This is more than just a pickup. It's a rolling piece of history meticulously crafted for the modern era. So whether you're a fan of vintage pickups or simply someone who appreciates exceptional design and engineering, the 2025 GMC 100 Vintage Pickup is a truck that demands attention. It's a celebration of the past, built for the future. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think of this stunning revival of an American icon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.